This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Lay's potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
As the journey begins, everything starts here, the raw material intake zone of the factory. Massive crates of freshly harvested potatoes arrive one after another, moving steadily along powerful conveyor belts designed for speed and precision. Each potato represents the first step in a carefully controlled process, where quality is non-negotiable. The constant hum of the conveyors fills the air, echoing through the vast space, while the rhythm of the factory sets the pace for what's to come. It's a scene where human expertise meets industrial efficiency, laying the foundation for millions of perfectly crafted products that will soon reach consumers around the world. Now, the potatoes move into the cleansing stage, where purity and precision take center stage. In extreme close-up, fresh potatoes roll gently into automated washing systems, surrounded by flowing streams of crystal-clear water. Powerful yet carefully calibrated brushes rotate around each potato, removing dirt and impurities without damaging the surface. Water splashes dramatically in slow motion, gliding across polished stainless steel chambers that reflect the bright factory lights. Every movement is deliberate, every system synchronized to maintain consistency and hygiene at an industrial scale. This stage ensures that only perfectly cleaned and precisely sorted potatoes move ahead, transforming raw harvests into factory-ready ingredients, prepared for the next phase of high-speed production. The camera now glides forward in a smooth, drone-style motion, traveling deep into the heart of the preparation floor. Long rows of advanced machines stretch into the distance, working in perfect synchronization as potatoes rush rapidly through high-capacity washing and peeling units. The rhythmic motion of machinery creates a steady mechanical pulse, while air vents release controlled bursts of warm vapor overhead. It's a powerful visual of modern food engineering, where automation, scale, and precision come together seamlessly. In this moment raw, potatoes are no longer just agricultural produce. They are rapidly transformed into perfectly prepared ingredients, moving forward on a relentless path toward mass production. Next comes one of the most critical stages in the entire process: precision slicing. Inside this section of the factory, huge, automated slicers take control, engineered to deliver absolute consistency at astonishing speed. As each potato enters the system, ultra-sharp blades move with flawless timing, cutting it into perfectly thin slices, identical in thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. A deep mechanical hum fills the space, as sharp slicing sounds cut cleanly through the air, emphasizing the power behind the machines. In this moment, technology takes center stage, eliminating variation and guaranteeing uniform quality at a massive scale. What emerges from this stage is perfection by design: thousands of identical slices, each one ready for the next step in a process where consistency defines excellence. From inside a glass-walled control room, technicians carefully monitor every detail of the frying process. Digital panels display real-time temperature data, oil flow rates, and system performance, ensuring conditions remain perfectly balanced. With precise button clicks and electronic beeps, even the smallest adjustment keeps quality consistent, batch after batch. The camera locks into a smooth tracking shot, following metal conveyor channels as they guide thousands of potato slices forward in perfect alignment. Stainless steel surfaces stretch endlessly ahead, reflecting factory lights as the slices glide along, moving closer to the heart of the operation. This transition marks a critical moment in the process. Timing, temperature, and flow must align with absolute precision. As the slices approach the fryers, the atmosphere shifts, heat intensifies. Machinery grows louder, and the factory's rhythm becomes more powerful. It's here that raw, carefully prepared slices are about to be transformed, passing seamlessly from preparation into the high-energy world of industrial frying, where texture, color, and flavor are finally brought to life. In a striking macro-cinematic shot, potato slices gently enter massive frying vats filled with bubbling hot oil. The moment they touch the surface, an explosion of energy erupts. Oil sizzles intensely as heat seals the outer layer. In ultra-detailed slow motion, a rich golden color begins to form, spreading evenly across each slice. Every bubble tells a story of precise temperature control, locking in texture and flavor within seconds. This is the defining transformation stage, where carefully prepared slices become perfectly crisp, delivering the signature crunch that defines the final product. Inside the fryer, robotic arms and automated paddles move with smooth, calculated precision, gently stirring the chips as they cook. Each motion is designed to ensure even heat exposure, preventing clumping and guaranteeing a consistent texture throughout the batch. Every batch is refined and tested to achieve the perfect crunch. Soft robotic beeps blend with calm ambient tones, highlighting a process where advanced automation replaces guesswork, delivering uniform quality at an industrial scale. In a graceful slow-motion sequence, freshly fried chips emerge from the oil, radiant with a deep golden color and a perfectly crisp texture. Tiny droplets of oil glisten on the surface, sparkling under warm cinematic lighting as they slowly fall away, emphasizing every detail. The factory noise fades into a soft industrial ambience, layered with subtle cinematic underscoring that adds emotion to the moment. This is a brief pause in the process, a visual confirmation that timing, temperature, and technique have aligned perfectly. What rises from the fryer is not just cooked food, but a carefully crafted result, ready to move forward toward final perfection. High-speed conveyor lines carry freshly seasoned Lay's potato chips forward in a flawless, continuous flow. Every chip moves smoothly and effortlessly, guided with precision as the pace of the factory accelerates. Seasoning is perfectly balanced, evenly coating each piece as it travels toward the final stage. The rhythmic motion of the conveyors fills the space, joined by sharp bursts of pressurized air as advanced packaging machines prepare each bag in fractions of a second. It's a powerful display of speed and control, where millions of chips are handled with care. Transformed from a finished product into a ready-to-enjoy snack, sealed and prepared for delivery around the world. A wide drone shot reveals the full scale of the packaging zone, where human skill and robotic precision work side by side. Under bright, spotless factory lights, workers oversee operations while automated systems move seamlessly, sealing, labeling, and stacking products at remarkable speed. The modern industrial music underscores the efficiency of the space, highlighting a perfectly synchronized environment. This is the final checkpoint, a place where quality, speed, and technology come together to prepare millions of finished products for their journey beyond the factory walls. Under bright LED inspection stations, workers in full safety gear carefully examine each sealed Lay's bag. Weight is verified, seals are checked for integrity, and appearance is inspected to meet strict quality standards. Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Soft inspection beeps blend with a steady ambient hum, reinforcing the final promise of consistency, safety, and trust before the products move on to distribution. Inspection beep confirms that strict quality standards have been met without compromise. Every product is checked before leaving the facility, ensuring trust in every single pack. Forklifts glide through the loading bay, carefully lifting and positioning stacks of Lay's-branded boxes with practiced precision. Each pallet is aligned and secured, ready for transport, as warm factory lights cast a golden glow across the scene. The steady movement of forklifts blends with the deep rumble of truck engines, creating a sense of completion and momentum. This is the final handoff, where hours of technology, teamwork, and quality control leave the factory behind, beginning their journey to shelves and consumers around the world. From this final checkpoint, millions of packs begin their journey beyond the factory walls. What started as simple potatoes now heads out as a finished promise of quality and crunch. As the camera slowly pans upward, the entire Lay's potato chip factory comes into view, glowing under a warm sunset sky. Golden light reflects off the metal rooftops, symbolizing the scale, precision, and care behind every chip, a powerful closing moment set to an uplifting orchestral finale.
And that's how Lay's potato chips are made. We're reaching Frisch from start to finish.